Let's learn how to crochet this cute mini flowers. Crochet hook is 3.0 mm and we will start with the middle part. I'm using brown color yarn. Make a magic ring and then add one more chain, and this chain 2 will be count as our first half double crochet. Then we will work 9 half double crochet. So in total you should have 10 half double crochet including your chain 2. So let's complete this. And then pull the tail, close the magic ring and secure it with slip knot into our chain 2 stitch, and then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now we will work on the petals. Insert your hook in any of the stitch, then pull a yellow color yarn and secure the end like this. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, and into next stitch work 2 treble crochet stitches. So yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook into next stitch while securing the end, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, then second treble crochet into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and then chain 2, 1 2, and into next stitch work 1 slip stitch. So like this complete the petals and your mini sunflower is ready. Follow for more.